Downloading data. All available data on your Konnect Insights account can be downloaded into an Excel spreadsheet. Downloading data is simple. Here's how you do it. Just click on the Download Data option on the left-hand side to get started. Now select the date range for the data which you want to download. You can also choose a particular time range if needed. Clicking on the Page drop-down menu will give you 4 options. When you choose Messages, all available data will be considered. Saved Messages will only consider data where you've taken any action. CRM Messages is the workflow data for the team. And My Tasks means data only for the tasks assigned to the account user. Select the topic for which you want the data to be downloaded. Select platforms for which you want to download data. In case you want to download mentions or DMs from social profiles, then select Social Profiles from the drop-down menu. Clicking on Advanced Options will give you an option of performing a search within a search in Download Data. When you check Include Workflow, details of fields related to CRM workflow like tasks assigned, responded, closed, etc. will be included and downloaded along with data in an Excel sheet. If you select Receive Email, you will receive an email with an attachment. The downloaded data appears in the Download section below. Records of 20 previous downloads appear here. Now let's look at the fields in the downloaded Excel sheet. The first column shows media type, whether it's from a Twitter, Facebook, a blog, a news website, or any other media platform. Title means the title of the link. The message field shows the content in the link. The link field contains the URL. The sheet contains more fields like publish date, username, sentiment, language, country, location, and many other details. Towards the end, you will see fields related to CRM workflow like status, assigned to, assigned by, responded by, time and turnaround time details. With the downloaded data feature, you will have all the details in the form of a spreadsheet. At an advanced level, you can also download macros from the tool to create custom reports. So that's how you download data from Konnect Insights. Do leave us with your queries in the comments section and subscribe to Konnect Insights for more such videos.